Hello everybody, I'm Minerva from Sugarland Branch Library. In today's video, I'm gonna introduce the Arabic or Turkish coffee and show you how to make them. What's the difference between Arabic and Turkish? There's no difference. Both are same coffee, just the Arab call it Arabic and the Turkish people name it Turkish. And while I'm having my water on the oven here to be boiled, let me tell you something about this kind of coffee. Arabic coffee is a traditional drink in the Arab culture. It is called al-qahwa, and it is considered a very important aspect of hospitality and generosity in the Arab world. It's made of slightly or heavily roasted coffee beans, and it's grounded to come into coffee powder. The Arabica coffee, when it's roasted and brewed, it comes out with a very special aroma that makes you alert and awake for the entire of the day. And because this kind of coffee is so strong and could be bitter sometimes, it's served in small cups like this. People drink it black and never with milk or cream. And when visiting any of the Arab houses, they serve you coffee at the end of the visit and not in the beginning. They serve it starting with the most important guest or the oldest one. It's typically served in all social occasions like weddings, dinners, family gatherings, and others. So it's very well known and it's very important. Arabic coffee, it can be served anytime during the day. Can be served in the morning, in the afternoon, or even at night time with some desserts, some sweets, or some dates. Now, let me introduce you to the ingredients we need and to the what we need to make our Arabic coffee. Of course, we need a stove or a burner like the one I have here. We need a kettle like this one. Actually, this kind of kettle is for Arabic coffee, and it comes in different sizes, so it depends. This amount that I'm gonna do today is gonna be good for 4 cups of Arabic coffee. Also, to serve the Arabic coffee, you need the cups. There are small cups and they are specially for this kind of coffee. Also, for the ingredients, we need the coffee and it's finely grounded and it's roasted. The degree of roast is at your taste. So some people like it very dark, others like it lightly roasted. And of course, the sugar is also at your taste. So for today, I'm gonna use just 1 spoon because it's familiar to the Arabs to drink it with no sugar at all. And at this time, they call it al-qahwa as-sada. And of course, I have the cardamom, and this is ground, so I can use it. It's also optional. This one is very optional. You can skip it if you don't like it, but it gives it spices the coffee and gives it some taste. So the water now came into boiling, to roiling boiled water. I'm gonna add the coffee. So I need 3 spoons of coffee for 1.5 cup of water. And here I have 1 and 2 and 3. Of course, I have to take it away from the burner when I add my coffee. And for the sugar, as I said, I'm gonna add for today just 1 teaspoon. Just it puts it in the middle, not too sweet and not too bitter. And also I'm gonna add a pinch of the cardamom here, just add a little bit at the tip of the spoon for those who like it. Now I will put it back into to the oven. I do not stir it at all. So this spoon is just for measuring. I will leave it away while boiling, so it's gonna create a foam. And this foam, make sure not to let it raise out of the kettle. So when it raises up, just take it off the burner, put it away until it cools down, and then put it back. Keep watching it. Don't let the coffee to come out of your kettle. I'll wait until this foam comes very slightly at the top of the coffee drink. So now my coffee is ready, and the foam is just very slight at the top of the drink. I'll place it here and I'll cover it for like 30 seconds, and then I can pour it into the coffee cups like this and serve it with any kind of cookies and dessert. So I have here my coffee, and it really smells very good, and the aroma of this coffee is really very nice and good. And enjoy your cup of coffee, and to wait for more videos from Sugarland Branch Library.